York, there were a couple of restaurants called Dojo. One on St. Mark's, that's the one I went to. I never went to any of the other ones. One of the things I miss most about New York, and I hear that they've all closed. There was one on West 4th Street, St. Mark's closed. I miss the soy burger dinners. Full disclosure, I got one and the others kind of fell apart. I'll show you. Part of them looks okay, but the breading started coming off. And my sauce thickened up in the fridge. But it tastes really good. Alright. This is the first soy burger I've had in 16, 17 years. Here we go. It tastes good. I don't remember the soy burgers ever having much flavor. It was always the ginger dressing. And the ginger dressing just tastes so good on the rice. Come on. You could just have a bowl of brown rice and ginger dressing. Let me see if this touches a memory nerve. Oh yeah, it does. It tastes really close. It's not perfect by any means. What kind of binder can you use? I'll put a link to a website below that makes simple soy burgers. I didn't see any binders in there. And he mixed brown rice into the burger, and I don't remember ever having any brown rice in this. Oh, the ginger dressing is really good. I'll just mix that all into the brown rice. The reason I froze them, I don't think Dojo's made them fresh. On more than one occasion when I ordered the soy burger dinner, my burgers were kind of cold. They weren't just room temperature. I think I had one that was a little chilly. Seriously, if you Google Dojo burgers, they're all hijiki, they're full of stuff. Most of them just don't look like plain soy burgers, which is what you would get. Dojo's soy burger dinner brings back a lot of memories. There was a Billy Joel song called Matter of Trust. Is that what it is? Matter of Trust? And they filmed it on St. Mark's. And you can see shots of the Dojo awning in that music video. And I never called it Dojo. It was always Dojo's. Am I the only one? Let's go to Dojo's. I never said let's go to Dojo. If you have any ideas, post them below. Why is my brown rice not brown? That's brown rice. You know what I'm going to say. Thanks for watching.